So, you've heard about RentAHuman.Ai, that wild new website where AI agents can supposedly hire real people to do physical tasks? It sounds futuristic, right? But here's the real question. Is RentAHuman.Ai legit, or just another crypto trap waiting to happen? Let's break it down. On the surface, RentAHuman.Ai isn't a straight-up scam. It's a real experimental platform. You sign up, connect your crypto wallet, and maybe, just maybe, an AI agent asks you to take a photo, hold a sign, or do some bizarre performance art. It's like TaskRabbit, but with robots calling the shots. But here's where things get dicey. To get paid, you have to link your MetaMask or Phantom wallet. And critics are sounding alarms. This website is still pretty rough around the edges. If hackers break in, your funds could disappear in a heartbeat. Plus, there's zero buyer or worker protection. No mediation, no insurance, no safety net. If an agent ghosts you after the job, your crypto is gone, and you have no way to fight it. And those big numbers they love to brag about? They claim tens of thousands of users, but when researchers peeked in, they found only about 83 real profiles. That's a huge red flag. Some early users even spotted classic crypto scams on the site. You know, send me Bitcoin and I'll double your money. Not cool. The final kicker. Most people who sign up just end up staring at empty dashboards, waiting for work that never comes. Only a tiny fraction manage to connect their wallet, and even fewer ever see a legit task. So, is RentAHuman.Ai the next big thing, or just another risky crypto experiment? I'd say, stay curious but keep your guard up, and maybe your wallet closed.